Before highways existed, before speed limits mattered, and long before cars became everyday machines, America was still figuring out what an automobile should be. This was a time of trial, experimentation, and bold ideas, when engineers, inventors, and entrepreneurs were shaping the future on four wheels. These early machines didn't just start engines, they started an industry. Let's starting with pioneer experimental era 1900 to 1909. Oldsmobile Curved Dash. Introduced in 1901, the Oldsmobile Curved Dash became the first American automobile produced on a meaningful scale. Its simple construction and affordability proved cars could be built for more than just inventors and the wealthy. Ford's Model A marked Henry Ford's first true commercial success. It reflected his early vision of reliable, practical transportation and laid the groundwork for what mass mobility would soon become. Cadillac Model A. Cadillac entered the industry with a focus on precision. The Model A emphasized interchangeable parts and consistent quality, helping set early standards for American automotive manufacturing. Packard Model B. Packard's Model B focused on engineering reliability and refinement. It appealed to buyers who valued durability and quality, establishing Packard's reputation in the early luxury market. Buick Model 10. Buick gained recognition through strong engine design. The Model 10 showcased Buick's focus on power and reliability, giving the brand an early performance identity. Locomobile Model C. The Locomobile Model C represented America's early experimentation with steam-powered cars. It reflected a time when the industry was still deciding which technology would define the automobile's future. Stepping into the era where cars reached the masses. Ford Model T. The Ford Model T transformed transportation forever. Mass production and affordability turned the automobile into an everyday tool, putting America on wheels and reshaping society itself. Cadillac Type 53. Cadillac focused on innovation rather than volume. The Type 53 standardized pedal and control layout, influencing how drivers would operate cars for generations to come. Buick Model 21. Buick built its reputation on dependable engineering. The Model 21 delivered strong performance and reliability, helping Buick grow as a respected American brand. Studebaker Model 25. Originally known for wagons, Studebaker's Model 25 showed a successful transition into automobiles. It emphasized durability and practicality during America's industrial expansion. Dodge Brothers Model 30. The Dodge Model 30 earned a reputation for toughness. Built to last, it appealed to buyers who valued strength and reliability over luxury features. Chevrolet Series H. Chevrolet entered the competitive mass-market space with the Series H. It helped establish Chevrolet as a serious rival by offering value-driven transportation. Maxwell Model 25. The Maxwell Model 25 represented affordable engineering. Its success played a key role in shaping what would later become the Chrysler Corporation. Moving forward as American cars matured after the war. Ford Model T. Late versions. The later versions of the Model T reflected refinement rather than reinvention. Improved comfort and usability showed how mass-produced cars were evolving to meet growing expectations. Chevrolet Series 490. Chevrolet challenged Ford directly with the Series 490. Better features and competitive pricing helped Chevrolet gain momentum in the rapidly expanding market. Buick 6. Buick's six-cylinder models emphasized smoothness and strength. They appealed to buyers looking for more power without stepping into full luxury territory. Chrysler Series 70. The Chrysler Series 70 introduced advanced engineering for its time. Higher compression engines and improved braking marked Chrysler as an innovator from the beginning. Packard Single Six. Packard's Single Six brought luxury within reach of a broader audience. It maintained Packard's reputation for quality while expanding its customer base. Lincoln Model L. The Lincoln Model L represented American prestige. Known for craftsmanship and quiet performance, It established Lincoln as a serious name in the luxury automobile world, moving deeper into the age of style, speed, and status. Ford Model A, 1927. The Ford Model A replaced the legendary Model T with a more modern design, improved comfort, better performance, and updated styling, showed that affordability no longer meant simplicity alone. Buick Master 6. Buick positioned the Master 6 as a refined step above basic transportation. Smooth engines and solid construction made it popular among buyers seeking comfort and dependable performance. Chrysler Imperial 80. The Chrysler Imperial 80 marked Chrysler's push into the luxury segment. Advanced engineering and powerful engines helped establish Chrysler as a serious competitor in high-end American automobiles. Packard Single 8. Packard's Single 8 became a benchmark for American luxury. Its straight-eight engine and meticulous build quality made it a favorite among executives and influential buyers. Cadillac Series 341. Cadillac focused on refinement and power. The Series 341 delivered smooth V8 performance, reinforcing Cadillac's reputation for prestige and advanced engineering. Auburn 8-88. The Auburn 8-88 blended performance with bold styling, known for speed and eye-catching design. It appealed to drivers who wanted excitement without stepping into extreme luxury pricing. Stutz Black Hawk. The Stutz Black Hawk represented American performance ambition. Powerful engines and sporting character made it a symbol of speed, endurance, and engineering confidence. Stepping into the pinnacle of American luxury and performance. Duesenberg Model J. The Duesenberg Model J was built without compromise. Enormous power, advanced engineering, and custom coach-built bodies made it the ultimate symbol of American wealth and performance. Cadillac V16. Cadillac stunned the world with 16 cylinders. The V16 delivered unmatched smoothness and refinement, proving America could lead global luxury engineering. Packard 12. Packard answered with the 12. Quiet, powerful, and meticulously crafted. It reinforced Packard's reputation as the choice of leaders and elites. Auburn 851 Speedster. The Auburn 851 combined dramatic styling with supercharged performance, fast and visually striking. It became one of the most exciting American cars of its era. Cord L29. The Cord L29 introduced front-wheel drive to American luxury cars. Its low stance and futuristic proportions set it apart from everything else on the road. Pierce Arrow Model 54. The Pierce Arrow Model 54 emphasized strength and prestige. Known for solid construction and distinctive design, it represented durability at the highest luxury level. Moving into a new era where design finally met modern thinking. Cord 810. The Cord 810 looked radically different from anything before it. Front-wheel drive, a low profile, and hidden headlights pushed American car design into the future. Cord 812. Building on the 810, the Cord 812 added supercharged performance. Its bold styling and advanced engineering made it one of the most daring American cars of the late 1930s. Chrysler Airflow. The Chrysler Airflow was designed using wind tunnel testing. Though controversial, it introduced aerodynamic principles that would later define modern automobile design. Lincoln Zephyr. The Lincoln Zephyr brought streamlined design to the luxury market. Smooth lines, better efficiency, and modern construction marked a turning point for American premium cars. Ford Deluxe Coupe. Ford refined mass-market styling with the Deluxe Coupe. It offered modern looks at an affordable price, proving good design wasn't limited to luxury brands. Buick Roadmaster. The Buick Roadmaster balanced power and comfort. Strong engines and confident styling made it a flagship model for Buick before the war. Cadillac Series 60 Special. Cadillac redefined luxury with the Series 60 Special. Sleeker proportions and advanced design set new standards for American executive cars. Packard 120. The Packard 120 helped Packard survive changing times. It combined quality and affordability, expanding Packard's reach without sacrificing its reputation. Moving into the final moments before the world changed forever. Ford Super Deluxe. The Ford Super Deluxe represented refinement at the edge of a new era. Improved comfort, smoother styling, and reliable performance showed how far mass-market American cars had evolved before wartime production began. Chevrolet Special Deluxe. Chevrolet's Special Deluxe focused on comfort and value, with updated interiors and modern styling. It reflected the growing expectations of American buyers on the eve of World War II. Buick Super. The Buick Super balanced size, power, and smoothness. Its straight-eight performance and confident design placed it firmly between mainstream and luxury segments. Cadillac Series 62. The Cadillac Series 62 introduced a new design language for the brand. Sleeker proportions and V8 power helped redefine American luxury just before the war interrupted civilian production. Packard Clipper. The Packard Clipper marked a major design shift. Its clean, modern lines broke away from traditional styling and influenced post-war American car design. Chrysler New Yorker. The Chrysler New Yorker stood for prestige and engineering maturity. Powerful engines and refined construction made it one of the most advanced American luxury cars of its time.